This cake is very easy to make and it's delicious. I'll start with the batter. In the blender, I add half a cup of warm milk. Now, continuing the recipe, I add 4 eggs and 100 ml of oil. 1½ cups of sugar. And I'm going to mix for 5 minutes. I'll gradually add and mix 2 cups of wheat flour. And finally, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now I just mix to combine. I put it in a greased and floured pan and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. For the syrup, just mix 1 bottle of coconut milk, 200 ml of reduced fat milk, and 1 box of sweetened condensed milk. With the cake already baked and still warm, I'm going to poke several holes with a fork and pour the syrup over it. Now we let this cake cool at room temperature and then put it in the fridge so it can really absorb the syrup. Now that 12 hours have passed, just add the shredded coconut. Then you can either wrap it in aluminum foil to serve as a chilled cake or leave it in the baking pan, your choice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and try it at home. See you in the next video.